It's deep, hard-hitting, inside from corridors of social and political power, factual and humorous. It's Frontier Public Speaking Forum every Wednesday. Come and join Frontier.
The topic of today, it says that why have African nations failed to develop? Fail. The word fail means you have tried, you have struggled, but every time you struggle, you fall down. That is what it means by fail. You struggle, you fall down. Another time you try, you struggle, you fall down. So, some countries are developed and others are not developed. What brings that? We want to know the causes of some countries being developed and others not being developed. What causes that? Who brings it? Is it you or me? Which institution should develop a country? Which institutions are responsible for the development of a country?
So Afrika, I think the cause number one is lack of commitment. African people, they don't have a sense of emotion which they can believe and that they can develop their country. No commitment. I think you understand the word commitment. Just to do something completely. They just pretend that they want to develop their country, but no commitment. In other countries, mostly the citizens, every citizen has his or her right that he can develop his country and he can get something from his country. But in Africa, we act as if the leaders have the country. We act as if the president has the country. But we don't act that if we share the country.
If we can just put our eyes outside Somalia and look at other African countries where there is no much of war, but we still, such countries are still struggling.
But they are developed.
What could be the cause? They have no wars, but still they are struggling. They have failed to stand up. They are still crawling like babies. What's the problem?
But they are doing still, as you say. They are doing, and they are going to do, but in other countries, mostly, they don't get a peace. And that countries will get peace, and they are doing. But others, they don't do. And actually, I think eventually they will achieve.
But all in all, still we believe those countries are developing. But how are they developing? They are developing by borrowing money. They are not developing by themselves. And indeed we believe that we have the resources, we can manage everything. True, we have the resources. But there's one more thing which we lack. We don't have the expertise to do these things by ourselves.
I try to tell something about topic why most African nations fail to develop it. I think first is corruption. Secondly, they not believe each other. Thirdly, they not interesting to our country. They not have any confidence in our country, our leaders, our people. They only want to go abroad. If even we are education people, we are learning something. We say I want to go Europe to learn something. I want to go abroad to work in because my country is not good. Why your country is not good? Your country is good. Believe your country, believe your leaders, believe what you are. Really, you cannot change what you are. Always the way you act is the way you are. If you believe you are good, all people they are believing you. That's all for
you. Are just talking about believing in what you are and believing in our leaders.
Yes.
We have got leaders who just work and think about themselves and their families plus relatives. How can we believe in such leaders? If you are honest as citizens, how can we have belief in such kind of leaders? Because is it true African leaders are like that? Do they think about the whole nation or they think about themselves and their families? Themselves and their families. So how can we believe in such leaders?
how they can believe in you if you are not believe? If you are not believe you leaders, how they can believe in you, how they can work in you?
fadlan walaal rukumo oo subscribe saar channelkeena gambalkana riix si ay mar waliba ku soo dhacaan fariimaha wacyigelineed ee aan mar waliba soo gudbino.